Welcome to WP Travel, the ultimate travel booking plugin for WordPress. In this step, we'll show you how to add and activate a WP Travel Pro license key. After purchasing WP Travel Pro from wptravel.io, you'll receive a license key through email and in your WP Travel account dashboard. To activate it, log into your WordPress admin panel. Next, go to WP Travel. Then, click on Settings. Under the General tab, find the License section. Then, click on Manage License. Paste the key into the license field and click on Activate License. After clicking, you can see all your account details along with your license key. WP Travel Pro is now successfully activated, and you're ready to access all premium features and future updates. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other WP Travel users.